Nope, they're all USB-C. Well, this one's.
Let me see if I can find one. We're live again.
Roger. It's phased out. That's wild.
Well, because you basically only use it for exactly this, which is data. Like, we only use it for data transfer, which is exactly what I need it for. But my computer doesn't have a it's too new, so it doesn't have a USB-C.
Oh.
So I need to go from there, but this also doesn't have a USB-C outside of its power source.
That's wild.
Which is hilarious. So yeah,
if I were, I have plenty at my house, but clearly I don't travel with them. I swear I had one in my pouch, but
I'm really trying to think of where I might have one.
Is there any other way to transfer it?
Yeah, I just didn't want to. I'm just trying to find a way around it, but yeah.
Fair.
There totally is. I'm just really trying to think of, do I have anything that's currently plugged in that,
would do the same thing? Did you check the tavern?
Yeah. Okay, I can just do it over Google Drive.
Oh, yeah, squeezy.
I just didn't want to because I'm like, oh, I could just plug it in right now and be fine, right?
I mean, if you want to go real ghetto, you can get a flash drive.
It would accept a flash drive, but it's fine. Google Drives. Ah,
bless.
Okay, so if I take you, and then over here, I need to go to here. Sign in.
Okay.
I could do, yes. All right.
All right.
Okay. Bam. Here. No, I'm not. Folder. We're gonna download this bad boy. Let's go. It's working. We got a viewer back.
Yeah,
I see one.
I love it. Oh, I thought you were talking about on the new box.
That's done. Where'd you pop up to? Okay. You're going to extract to the desktop. Extract into here. Oh, and then we're gonna do actually. We're gonna put a new yes, that's what we're gonna do it. Extract all of them.
Why does it look like that?
And then I should just be able
Number
to
of...
close out of. No, I'll hold that up for now.
creatures you can... Okay. I guess theoretically.
So, import profile. Desktop. Stream. Choose that. Reset. Wait a second, hold on. Oh, okay. That. Add only this line. Save and exit. How do I save and exit? Oh, Control X. X, Y, enter. Give your script executable permissions. Next, let's modify the menu shortcut to run the script. Open the main menu.
Why did that bar go away all of a sudden?
And main menu editor. Ooh. Sound and video OBS. Properties in the command box. Path to your script. Oh,
Editor.
yeah, it should be that.
Where is that toolbar? Toolbar. See, but that's not... That's not what I mean. Figure. What? Why are you taking me there? Toggle block quote. Why is it just toggle block quote?
Okay. Oh wait, that's not working. Hold on. Preferences. And menu editor. OBS. Properties. I'm confused. It says OBS.
I don't like you. You are being rude. These settings have to be somewhere. Files and links? There's no way it would be here. Oh my goodness. Notify if startup longer than... No.
Oh, gotcha. So I need this here.
Correct line breaks. Markdown specs, ignore single line breaks.
Okay, so what if I did that?
Turn this off.
Then we go to preferences.
Make
Okay,
single
so
line breaks visible.
preferences, main menu editor, OBS properties.
I do not want to go through this freaking manually.
There we go.
I really don't. I really don't.
All right, we are going to test to see if OBS now runs. We're going to try to
Open. Rude.
Why?
Is it? Did it reset the? It's gonna fail the first time and then.
That's what this is supposed to do.
Oh.
So you're supposed to be able to go to desktop. And that. Okay.
There's gotta be like a toolbar. Link or entire file with blank. No, we're already in source mode.
Okay, so for some reason it just won't execute, which is fine. It's just odd.
I hate this. It's being disrespectful.
So what if I did this instead?
I might end up having to reinstall this on here. It's gonna be annoying.
There we go. I did it in the wrong. They had me do it in the wrong spot. Now I have OBS updating correctly.
Okay. The wrong like file path.
It was trying to have me update the Linux terminal instead of the app itself. I don't know. It was just it's the same update but in a different spot. So now all I have to do is figure out a few things. I gotta add that. Hang on 1 second. I'll be right back. I have to go figure something out. Yeah, we're getting there. We're
See? We making it. Come on now. Boom. Let's check that out. Oh, are you gonna be like that? Of course you are.
Actually,
All right.
nope. We don't need it.
We don't need.
I don't need it. I was gonna say I have to do all this stuff to get it updated to what we have, right? And unless I'm gonna try and push the Raspberry Pi, which maybe we'll try at some point, to do ChillHop.
Oh, yeah.
I don't need to have any of the fancies because I'm not going to be using OBS, right? Like the phone will be the camera. I will be using the tablet to watch the stream and do chat.
Mm-hmm.
But I won't be in OBS like I am here. So having that chat integrated and looking like it does, having all of those things integrated won't matter.
Okay.
Because I won't be visible. Like, so the less I put on the Pi, the better. So at this point,
okay, that's very fair.
At this point now, I have OBS here. So then what I do is I go here, and this will even be nicer because at that point, I won't have to worry about my phone at all. My phone will just be the camera. Like I won't have to like check it and do anything as long as the camera's on. So if I do thing.
Oh, you
What's up?
Nugget. It just printed stupid. I keep forgetting I have to do the large version. Otherwise, I'll have that stupid thing.
We are so payments managed.
Better. My question is, what does the original look like?
You know what? It's gonna be.
Well, it's literally the exact opposite.
This will definitely be. Sweet, no more ads.
This is for... We are... Boom.
Oh, that looks good.
Come over here. And we... Edit link. Boom.
Okay. So So
And then
we are
boom.
going to basically, we're only gonna have like 2
Don't be
scenes, I
disrespectful.
think.
Boom.
Oh,
Boom. Okay. Good enough for government work.
I would like stats. Stats, please. Don't need scene transitions. Hello?
Gotta get more fluent in my OBS setup, to be honest. But it is kind of like you say, you don't always have to use it.
Ooh. Why this won't let me bring it down in here?
Really? It won't let you embed it? Whatever.
Come on. There we go. Oh, just not stats. Weird. Stats cannot be embedded anywhere.
That's super weird.
That's very weird.
Does it take like an additional app or something? Like I know one of the other ones you needed a different app to do it.
No, this one, I mean, this one does it, so it may just be the limitations. Actually, let's see. Let's make sure this OBS is up to date. Oh, weird. Usually it's in. Where's the update option? Usually there's like check for update.
Yeah.
That can help.
Could it be under file? I don't know why, but I feel like I've seen it there before.
No. Just check settings. Weird.
Yeah, I would definitely think it's at least under settings.
All right, so anyway, scene source, audio mixer. Yeah, that's so weird. Audio we'll take care of in a second. Let's get a video feed. Let's get video capture.
I'm curious if you could connect it to both our phones.
I should be able to. If you, I could. If you have Droid Cam, if you have the app, I could easily do that. Wait a minute.
Doesn't matter which one. Oh, this one's already installed. Droid cam, webcam. Oh, that's right. I do remember that.
Oh, you do have it. Okay. Desktop software. Okay, so I wonder. Those, see these. See, that's... Oh, wait a minute. I need. I think. I should be able to get this. No. I think what I need to do is install it. I think I need to start. So the thing I need to figure out now is how to get droid cam on here. Ooh. Yes, please. Ooh, yes, please. Yes, please. Ah, I love batch coding. Love when you can just get a line of code and just put it all in at once.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just, yep.
Hell yeah. Okay.
I should look and see if that place is still open, because if they're not, we may not be able to try this out tonight. The way that we wanted to, but
yeah,
way, doesn't really matter. At least we'll have some fun. Oh no! They're open for another hour and a half.
Oh really?
We wouldn't be able to do like what we thought about doing, but
I mean, we can at least do the first idea.
The dice.
Yeah.
Go check it out, or hell, just even do a drive to see if we can even just make it around town and
Sure.
not give it away. I just want to see it in action. We're gonna go for a walk somewhere. Have a chat, 'cause we'll have the microphone,
Yeah.
so we don't have to talk like hella loud.
Maybe we can find a park or something like that.
Yeah. Okay, so wow, that
It'll be a good experiment.
was fucking quick. So install this. So that allow me to now have close OBS now. I think the weird part is going to be too figuring out how this is going to work. Like, I'm just learning. Like, let's say we're out and about. We plug all of this in, we get it loaded. How do we start the program?
It'll be helpful to have like a
remote desktop viewer or something?
like, yeah, like a terminal or something, some way to like access it. Like, even if you just like,
I should figure out there's a way to just have like something on my phone that I could do that will set a terminal command. Because yeah, once they like guaranteed connect to each other, there should be a way. But that's something that we're gonna have to figure out, because I get all this set up because I have the video, the visual. But once we go live, like, I won't have a visual to that, so I probably should have a way to remote desktop to it. So that'll be something that we have to set up as well.
Interesting. I mean, you have your much bigger project. Imagine if you could like create a program in here that like just basically runs this. You like set up a command and it just turns everything on and starts recording, connects to your stuff.
Right.
Does all the things.
Okay, so I did all of that, but then what? Yeah, we did this. I'm gonna do it the smart way. Okay. Now we have Pi apps. That should make this so much easier. So we're looking for no. Is that why it's not working? Because there is no droid cam.
You need me to turn it on?
I like that Audacity's on here. Interesting. OBS Studios we already have. I'm confused. Ooh, Linux setup. Hey. Why didn't that work? I don't know, I already got that. Why is that not working? Oh, that's why. Why was Flatpak not found? Oh, Flatpak command examples. Run and install application. Yeah, but I need it. What happens if I don't have it though? What's going on, Hecate? How you doing? How do I get? Oh, will that work? Okay, so first let me install Flatpak. And then, okay, installing Flatpak. That's done. And now, what? Okay. Okay, how about I reset? If I do that.
And just beat the devil out of it.
Okay, wait a second. So, Okay. How about that one? What? Okay, all packages are up to date. Okay. Yes. Done, done, done. Okay.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know you could do that.
So did that actually work then?
Perfect.
Okay, so I think this worked. No. Why not?
Nice. Nice.
I don't understand. Maybe I just need to reset the system. Or reset this thing. All right, let me just power it off in the power cycle and see what happens.
Okay. So where we at?
There we go. Reboot. All right. So I think I have everything done. I'm just trying to figure out why it's not recognizing the DroidCam app. I'm trying to figure out getting the DroidCam app on
the device.
Yeah.
Okay.
All I'm trying to do is see if OBS will recognize DroidCam, and it won't yet. So
Is it? Do you think it's successfully installed on there, and you're just trying to get OBS to do it, or?
that's kind of what we're figuring out. So yeah, Raspberry Pi. Support for 5. For this topic, your smartphone. Download DroidCam for your phone, which I already have. Next, you install this. Okay. And reading this done. Not open. Unable to lock. Why is it denied? I should be the master. Nope, stop. Fuck. There we go. What happened? Apt command did not have the root permissions. Okay, so it's because okay, that's what I thought. See, I learn things sometimes because I didn't have sudo in front of it. Linux is annoying. I hate anything that, like, when you do a shortcut, it adds like a character instead of just leaving it blank.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
I hate character shortcuts like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So do that first. Then we do this. To not open. Unable to require lock variable. Are you root?
Where are you?
Yes. What?
That's better.
Okay. Where's that? We're having a conversation. So. It just works simply. No.
This.
What happens?
Much better. Okay. Now I can replace you here.
Okay, so. Oh boy. Let's see. Can I copy all? No, I can't. Okay.
What?
Oh, tell me what's going on. So log files, blah blah blah. These created, permission denied. Ran that, but didn't do. Okay, step one. Bam. See any process.
That was easier. I had to have. No.
This is such riveting stuff. We're not even talking about what we're doing. I just realized like I'm just doing all this stuff. So at this point, I am working my way back through the updates that I need in order to get OBS and DroidCam connected.
When you say updates, are you talking about like
right now I'm
like drivers and stuff?
Yeah, so like right now I'm unlocking a few files and trying to get a few directories loaded up. So both will speak to each other.
Got you.
Okay, so let's remove the stale locks. Okay, install the update. We also want, I think I already have this, but it should be done. Yeah. So
Did I already? I did already grab that one. Copy? Oop, man, it's the wrong button.
is that not working? Bring me back my terminal. Let's reset here. So check if the module is loaded. Manually load it. Sure, okay. Configure DroidCam. DroidCam doesn't officially have a native Raspberry client. Run the app on your phone, which I am. Run the app. Connect to Wi-Fi. Got it. Stream it to your Raspberry Pi. Stream Oh, do you mean that it should just now have like OBS cam? Media source. Okay. Okay. And then point it to here.
Is it?
Oh no, I don't want local. That's
Curious if you have the same. Well, no, you probably wouldn't.
okay. So it didn't work.
Cosmic. That's what I was looking for.
How about? Ooh. Oh, I'm not even allowed a browser source. Interesting. That's
That is interesting. That for sure seemed to me to be fairly native. But it's got to be because it's so interesting to me how differently these programs interact with different operating systems. It's like I knew that they had different modes of operation, but I didn't realize they had such different communication methods. Which one are you? You are Predictive Edge. T. Wait a minute. There's no way. There it is. Which one was this?
Let me make sure I actually have that.
Okay, so it's not that one.
Let's find out why flat pack is.
And I don't understand what order this is in then.
Okay, let's start over. Flat pack now done.
Okay.
Let's add the registry.
Wild.
7K, wait till bio unlock. Do you know what bio unlock you're gonna do?
Oh yeah, I heard them talking about that last time. They're really close.
Do you know what you want? What piece of information? The stuff down here is only suggestions.
You
Those
could also
aren't the only things you can unlock.
I saw like, what was it, like favorite animal or something. I would love to hear somebody ask for like your favorite creature in your realm.
Maybe.
I mean,
they've got to be able to fit though. Like for a bio, they've got to be able to.
Oh, like a little.
Yeah, like you can't have something that takes, because I mean, look at how big they are down here. Like,
yeah,
if it took up the whole thing. So
that's fair.
I mean, we could do like fave, you know, like
it'd be HP creature.
Maybe like fave setting creature. I don't know. Like it depends. Like it depends on how we want to do it and how like those that unlock it want to do it. Cause
Sure.
I only did a few examples, but I don't know what information people are gonna want to like permanently unlock and have knowable. So I think that'll also depend upon like them.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to just say like here's the only thing you can have. Right?
Yeah.
Because some people might not care, but you need to be able to make it visual. Like,
yeah, be able to display it.
Yeah. All right. So we got the repository done. Got that done. Hold on. What? Remote add. Yeah. Why didn't that work? Okay. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yes.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Well, we're getting a different error. Different errors are good.
Really? Son of a bee.
Let's see.
Crossfields.
We're getting close. We're getting new errors. New errors are always nice.
Okay. That's good.
Gotcha. Okay, so it may be that this repository is no longer active. That may be the problem I'm running into.
Oh. How does that work? Is that somebody just have to upkeep a server?
I don't know, actually. So enter the URL provided. I don't have a URL provided, bro. It's DroidCamp. Like,
there is, when I look in mine, there's like an HTTP for like IP cam access, and it's just basically the Wi-Fi IP that they show you when you open the app. I don't know if that's qualifies as the URL.
Interesting. Okay. Okay, so let's... Is this still... Color. Yeah, that does nothing.
Wastelands. Is that the other one that was in there? Yes. Yes.
Okay. So
Okay.
no. Okay.
DXY. Stay doing that. Okay. Wait a second. Please tell me that's not janked up.
I have... Okay, so let's assume that
It's
we're
even
gonna
got a
go ahead with
rating.
this. We are on the same Wi-Fi network.
That's why. Okay. Found it. Question is, did I create? I did. We're going to use that for sure. Soul again.
All right, so it's not here. Okay, so I wonder, I guess I just don't have those particular settings. All right, so assuming that's good. Let's try media source and see if we can bypass it. Let's go media source. All right. Uncheck local file. Input field. Gotcha. So we should be able to bypass. So. Okay. Okay. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. Okay. So boom. Oh. Actually get it. Got something. We have something.
Oh, look at that. Very nice. Very nice.
Okay. We're all right here. Oh, a little bit better. I mean, that's a little bit crazier. I guess it'd probably be better to do front image. Question is, why is it this size?
Is it assuming you want it in landscape?
No, not that. The OBS size.
Oh.
Very crazy. I guess let's see if it's you can definitely get more that way. So
So crazy. I freaking love that.
that doesn't even look real.
It really doesn't.
Looks like I'm like on a gimbal. We're not even there yet.
Oh, that's sick.
All right, so
Cool.
it's working now. So
Did you figure out what you needed? Like, would it be hard to connect mine as well if we wanted to do that?
no, I should be able to reconcile how that works. Question is, how would we do it? Okay, so we're gonna call this one. So if I go here, and you're on the Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Let me see the just the short cam. Oh, actually, I need to do a quick test real quick on mine for that. Hello? Oh, there we are. I need to make sure that it's considered always on. Oh, it should be. right, so we're gonna put you over there for now, just so we can see. And I am actually gonna change it to this real quick. I want to test something. This thing has to have a notepad, right? Accessories, document viewer, text editor. That's all. So we know that one works. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna test a slightly more optimized version. Okay, now let's see if that works. No, it does not.
No? Rude.
No, Scott, it doesn't. How about no? That's all right. Not that big of a deal. Yep, and we go right back to it. That's totally fine. So then what I do is I take this and I rip this out. All right, we are able to do that.
Oh, wild. Well, look at that.
It does mean twice the potential for, you know, doxing ourselves.
Sure.
So we'll just both have to have some chosen etiquette on how that should be allowed to work, or how we're gonna defend ourselves.
And this is just honestly, if we even want to use it this way, because we don't have to. That is so curious. It automatically puts it into the landscape. And I don't even think there's a way to change that. Exposure lock?
So the thing is, I could probably adjust that for you on my side. Like if you were going to hold it a certain way, I can always flip your cam.
Oh, interesting. Okay. I mean, let's see. I feel like I would likely, at least for now, just stash it like this. Greetings. Shalom, my friends. There's no way that's all of them.
All right, so yeah, that
So weird.
have you? That's the autofocus.
Interesting. I don't go into this little sleep mode thing, but it'll still be recording. I'm curious if I can.
Grab protection real quick. I want to see if I can get some settings in this. Figure it out.
Oh, that's cool. I'm curious if I can do this. Oh, wild. I can fully turn off my screen and it stays recording.
Yeah, that's the one thing I really like about Droid. Yeah, there's not much I can do about like the direction. We'll just have to be very mindful about like, do we want that kind of a camera?
Sure.
Or if I do it like this, all I have to do is come in here and say, or actually no, I can undo that. That.
Oh, okay.
So I could have my camera more like that, and if you wanted yours vertical, I can do the same thing, right? Something more like that.
Okay. Curious, is that white line me?
We could go back to something like this, and I can kind of set it up to similar how we actually have it now.
Oh,
But we would never see that. Or what we do is I would just
kind of like we had it before.
and just maximize it there. I mean,
Sure,
it's gonna
sure.
be, but this is only dependent upon if we want two cameras. I mean, when
Sure,
we're walking
yeah.
around, you'd have to be super mindful about doing all that. And when we sit down, there's not going to be an easy way to change what this is.
You know, to be honest, like again, this is again just if we ever got to the point where we did want to do something, you know, like maybe we only set up a second camera when we get there and we're actually sitting down. That way, if we're
Right.
across from each other, we can actually get both of our perspectives.
Sure.
But like while we're traveling around, while we're going one place or another, we're not worried about it.
So what I could do. Gonna go off?
Oh, I thought that was you. Was that me?
Hey. So yeah.
Yeah, just tripped out. There we go. It's back.
Cool. Yeah, so we can have a duo cam effect, and that's the thing is once I can figure out how to control it, I wonder. I should be able to figure out how to basically mimic the stream deck. So if I could basically have on my phone or on the tablet once we're somewhere, and I can just do a little
To change
like,
scenes and stuff like that. Interesting.
I should be able to figure out a way to change.
That would be
scenes.
sick. Yeah. I feel like that's totally doable.
Yeah, just basically make myself a stream deck on the
A
side.
mobile stream deck.
So this one, I think, when we're main live, I think will be side by side. Which will be oh, I can't. Paste it. That's fine.
It's me, Mario. Wind string.
Because I'm welcome. So very confused. See, this is there. But then it disappeared. Oh, there we go. Okay, Jesus. Growing pains.
We getting there. We figuring it. Marty.
I guess what I can do is probably just add chat to these. Oh, but I don't have a browser source. I might not be able to have a chat show.
Why is that? Did you figure that out?
It's just how the Pi works.
Is there a way to like unlock it like you did the other stuff?
Maybe. Let's see. I might.
Expand it.
It's like the most riveting chat's ever seen.
Listen, this is those few occasions where they just here to vibe with us.
Oh, I don't want to write. So I won't. So what I will do is I will go to Drive again. That's why.
Not what I wanted.
It's not what I copied, damn it.
I hate it when it does that. It doesn't actually copy the last thing you did.
Save as desktop. Chat. Go here, go here. Chat. Here. Back. Here. Just open this up. Copy it. That work? Is there any chance that worked?
Well, your face came back up.
Doesn't like it. Not the way that I was hoping.
Rude.
So as for now, we won't have chat live. For now. Unless.
Well, let me recall. How did we actually do that? Oh, because we changed it after the fact. Quick side note, don't know how relevant it'll be to you. We did the Terras porn a while back from DK. The stream recognized it like in our VODs channel, it shows it as a race, but we ended up determining it was more of a creature. So,
Oh, gotcha.
I don't know if we really care to do anything about that, but
we'll be able to update it eventually.
I'll just make a note. Actually, did you change its classification from creature to plot device?
Maybe. So, okay, we already did all of that. Yes, we did all of this.
Oh, yeah, it was a creature plot point.
Okay, so it doesn't have a browser source. Why? Oh, I guess nobody's had this or nobody's fixed this issue. Chromium embedded framework. This plugin is like its only separate plugin, same engine. Okay.
Boom. Wait, what do you mean? That is a valid URL.
What do you want to do? Oh yeah. I already have.
Okay, good. So I'm not gonna lie, I can totally see myself for streaming like this. I set my phone down face down, forgetting that
Right.
it's got a camera on it and people are supposed to be watching. You're like, oh shoot.
Okay. That. You tell me what I'm doing wrong. Oh, I mean, it's fun though. It's fun to see all this stuff eventually work.
It'll definitely be nice once, because this is just all the background, the original setup. Like once it's set in, it's going to be kind of plug and play like our streams are, and it's that I feel like it's going to be the nicest.
Yeah. Requisites. Let's clone that repository. Build the plugin ourselves.
Ooh, out here pressing buttons.
I mean, it sounds impressive what I'm doing, but mostly I'm just following instructions. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now we're gonna clone the repository. Now we're gonna build a plugin.
Damon Dogs was the other one, so I should be able to copy it straight from that. Boop. Boop.
Building OBS
Boop.
source Raspberry Pi. Let's go.
Hey.
Clone OBS Studio. Ah. We gotta do some shit here.
Do some shit. But there is a solution.
There's always a solution.
There's always a solution. Sometimes you just don't like the solution, and it'd be like that sometimes.
More often than not, you just don't know what the solution is.
That is very true.
All right, so now we need to clone us.
Jurisdiction.
Clone us OBS Studio. Build and install locally. I should probably disconnect OBS Studio while I'm doing this.
Back to Marty.
be nice though. I'm hoping that by the end of tonight we will be able to at least do a test run and walk around the house.
Yeah, that would be cool. That would be very cool. At least maybe the inside a little bit.
If I can at least just prove that everything connects and works, I will think that tonight's a success.
Agreed. Agreed.
Right now we're building the install. I'm going to verify next.
I love that all of that updated appropriately.
Yeah.
Yes. Ooh.
Getting more homebrew review done.
Yes, so much of it. Like there's just been some stuff that it's been inappropriately linked for the longest time, and now it will be as it should be.
That's good. Yeah, so other than the fact that the Pi, so I think either connecting the Pi to a remote access or finding another way to make one of those peripherals like output to a screen.
Mm-hmm.
One of those, I think, will be the solution. Because I'm also thinking, like, what if we're out and about and we need to adjust like microphone or something? How are we gonna?
Sure. There
screen?
for sure should be like a terminal access for it, basically a way for us to just pop open and mess with stuff, settings, whatever, and then go back to doing whatever we were doing. I'm curious how easily just plugging in a tablet to it would work.
Yeah, I don't know which outside of the HDMI, which one would actually give us access to the screen. Oh, well, that's still building. I can't wait to turn this thing, figure this out. I just can't do too many things at once.
Is that has its own program?
Kind of.
Like its own like settings and stuff you can.
I mean, it's basically, yeah, it's a controllable gimbal. So this will keep the camera flat for us. So I can hold it like that, and then basically the camera would be there, and then no matter where I turn it,
the camera will stay exactly
it'll
where.
stay just like that.
Yeah.
So as we're talking, walking around, and then I'll be able to like maneuver it with all these buttons. I'll be able to like twist it around and maneuver.
Oh, interesting.
But then we'll just be sitting there chit chatting, walking, talking. You know, being able to drive. You can hold it, and it'll always stay stable, which is great for hiking. And then eventually we just put it on the tripod, and it just sits there.
And you can. It knows how to stay facing a certain direction too.
This one should have a program that once linked, should be able to track for us. So if I like move, it would actually like.
Oh, it'll wild. That's crazy.
If I got the right one, and we'll see. We'll see once I played with it. I haven't even turned it on yet.
That's pretty slick though.
Trying to do one thing at a time.
Fair enough.
I got so many toys.
Right? It's like Christmas. We gotta play with all the toys.
I'm really excited to see how well the microphones do.
Yes, that is because I'm not gonna lie, I was thinking about getting one of those for myself because I do a lot of like journaling, like audio journaling type stuff, and when I'm outside and things like that, it would be
just
crazy.
Be able to put that on and just start talking.
Yes, just go
on a walk,
and it's like actually clear, or even while I'm writing, it would be clear. Like while I'm. That'd be nice.
Well, especially because you get to turn, you just clip it to the phone, so at any point you just turn on the audio recorder and start talking, and
Yep, exactly.
All right, so we are at this point still building and installing. What are we doing? We're CMake. We had to rebuild CMake because it didn't have the right connections. So we're rebuilding it so we can have the correct version, so it wouldn't update.
Okay.
Taking a little bit longer than I expected, but I guess that's how these things work.
Oh, is this also? It is. It's gotta be. Wait, no, it's the wrong one.
Yes.
Where?
Start downloading this.
Oh, I remember that one. Oh, that's why. Gross. Whatever. No, I swear I asked him to, but I probably deleted it because I'm a goober. Actually, maybe I do have it. No, I don't. Boom. Oh, how you gonna be like that? There we go. That's gotta be in here. I just did that one. Hashira? Wait, who was that again? Who's Marty?
Oh,
Something happened. There we go. Yeah, it'd be nice if you knew to do this before.
Yeah, like how many precursors you needed. I mean, I
Yeah.
probably could have. And see, this is where getting really good at understanding how prompting works. The more I've worked on coding, the more I'm realizing that should have, like, I'm distracted, but that should have been a question I should have asked is, okay, you're going to help me set this up. Ensure that, give me everything I would need and ensure I have everything pre-installed before we begin.
Yeah.
And it would have set me up that. So, oh, that's new. That's actually doing something.
Wild.
Because that's a different color, and
doing
it's actually
a lot of things.
it actually has a percentage this time. So we are actually building it the correct way. Okay, we're actually getting somewhere. Look at the matrix, actually.
Yeah, it fucking does.
That's good news, though. New is always good.
New is always good. Well, especially when it's that color
Yeah.
and not the other.
Well, I will say that we are 2 hours in. Wait a second.
No, that's 2 hours after the reset.
I was going to be like, how are we only 2 hours in and it's this late? We didn't start that late. We are
Yeah.
3 hours in. So I don't know how much longer this is going to take. I will probably continue to work on this until I at least get some semblance of working. But I don't know if we want to sit here, on stream, because it's going to be another hour or another 5 minutes. But I'll probably
That's
still
fair.
test, and I'll probably end up doing a stream tomorrow.
Do you
with
have an
process.
idea of like how many steps after you get,
No idea. Like,
okay.
At this point, I'm just trying to get it to. At this point, I'm just trying to see if. Right now, I'm trying to fix the browser source.
Yeah. So you actually can pull stuff from.
Right. But we have no idea how many steps are during testing and going live process.
Sure.
And then that's only testing, going live on a shared Wi-Fi. Then I have to switch over and test it
On your hotspot.
on the hotspot. So we got a while. I probably won't get it all done tonight.
Okay.
But I might just say that we can call it the mainstream here, and I may just go live tonight or tomorrow. Once
Sure.
I get all
Testing
this
it
done.
out a little bit. I might have some availability tomorrow. I'm not 100. Tomorrow's what, the 7th?
Yeah, I gotta do basically a bunch of cleaning and prepping for poker night on Sunday.
Sure.
So I'll probably end up just like doing some fun like around the house streams once I get it
Cool.
up and running. And then I gotta test like the remote access. But I'm excited because not only is One Shot Rivals being developed, but we're now halfway to
Being able to do some adventures.
some live streams, and this also means that I will be able to much easier go out and record by camping.
Yeah. That'll be way cool.
I do think I will need to get a protective case for this bed.
Oh, at the very least to store it in. Heck yeah.
Yeah,
Heck yeah.
but I'm excited to get this thing to work. But one thing at a time. So yeah, thanks for joining us. For those that did, I know it wasn't that fun, but live IRL streams coming to you.
This is how we do it.
This is where we start. But anyway, y'all, thank you so much for joining us. We will be back on Monday as always, and I'll probably be back on tomorrow, hopefully, with this working.
Sweet.
Hope you all had a good week, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend ahead of you. But yeah, we'll be back later, hopefully with a lot more updates.
Yes.
All right, y'all. Cheers.
Deuces, my friends.